or maybe the guys do really well, which would be a miracle, to be quite honest with you. Yeah guys, this could very well be, why is my eyelash sticking to my... Well, hello my beauties and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki, I'm 43 from the Netherlands, hence the accent, and today is exciting because the Dutch ladies are playing against Sweden in the semi-finals this evening. So yeah, another look, hence the orangey t-shirt and such. But yeah, if they win against Sweden, they are in the finals. If they are not, well then they are playing, I think Saturday or something, the 6th, for 3rd and 4th place, but I don't find that really particularly interesting. So basically it is today, if they win, you will get another look on the 7th. If they lose, this will be the last one in the series. At least until they kinda maybe get in the European Championship phase and such. Or maybe the guys do really well, which would be a miracle, to be quite honest with you. But yeah. I am using two palettes again today. I am using the Jawbreaker by Jeffree Star. And I am using the Sluch palette by September Rose Cosmetics. I want to create a largely based orange look with a little bit of depth in it. My plan was then to do a blue waterline, a blue eyeliner, white in the inner corner, and maybe kind of a halo-y spotlight. Oh, that would be fun. What if I do kind of a halo eye, orange with a white center, and then a blue wing, and then red lipstick? Is that an idea? I think it is. I think that will be fun. So yeah. I am starting with the Sluch palette to build up my orange. Let's start with Tiger's Blood, I think, in the brush. Ooh, let me start with a new one that I got. Because I got another care package. So thank you so freaking much. The box was huge. It was just insane. The box is huge. Thank you so much. By the way, I don't know if you're watching, but if you are, this is the NARS foundation and the shade match was spot on. Just so you know. Oh, and if you, in case you are wondering what shade I am in the NARS foundation, it is M1.5 Vallauris, I think. So yeah, but it's so pretty. I will do a video using all new stuff again. I just kind of have some videos to get out first. But yeah, so let's start with the look because I'm rambling. Let's start with the color Tiger's Blood, which is the deepest of the orangey shades that I have. And the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, the crease brush that I cannot find here and that you sent me as well. So thank you so much. And let's kind of plop this on the eye. I'm going to try and keep the shape a bit round. So let's see what we can do. I'm going to tap it on first because I haven't set my eyeshadow base. I usually do not. This is a nice brush. It feels fluffy. So I think I will really like this brush, at least for blending. Maybe not as much for packing on shadow. Placing shadow, yes, but packing on maybe not so much. But that does not really matter. I'm going to kind of pull it in here a little bit as well. Grab a tiny bit and then pull it underneath my eye. Yeah, I like this brush. I can already tell. It is a tiny bit scratchy, which I usually like for blending shadows, especially if they need to get somewhere. Does that make any sense? I do have some very soft blending brushes that I really like as well, but those are more for the softer type blending, and this one is a little bit more for the, well, harder type blend. Yes, okay. I'm cleaning my e.l.f. brush. Let me think about the color I want to use. I'm cleaning it. I'm going to blend out the edge a little bit first. This is already way darker than I was planning, people. Okay, let's go to the color Orange Soda because it's a bit too red. I need it to orangey. I need to orangey it up. This brush, the e.l.f. one, I'm going to put that on top. First I'm going to blend it out. Let's see what it does. Yeah, that's a bit better, I think. The color Tiger's Blood is a little bit more of a reddish orange, and I kind of forgot. And I don't want it to be red, I want it to be orange. But as you see, you can blend them nicely, and I have a bit of depth now, so that's good. I can always grab a brown though, as well, to deepen it up a bit more. Also placing this on the bottom. Let me do a Betty Jean and kind of go over it with my sponge. That's, oh, that's a, yes, that's better. A little bit more. Yes, that's better. Okay, where's my brush? Here. Let's go to the Jeffree Star palette. Let's get the color Wow, actually, the yellow, to get it a little bit more orange. There's a color I have in my head that I'm not getting at the moment. But let's see. Let's get a very soft brush into that yellow and just place it. That's a bit better. And now I have the soft brush, just going to fade the edges a bit. Okay. A little bit of depth I want. So let's see what happens when I get the color Tasty, the brown. I'm going to put that in my inner and outer corner. I'm going to start slow and see what happens. Well, not that slow. Okay, let's kind of blend it out a bit and just deepen up the crease. I could deepen it up with a red, but I don't want to get this redder. Does that make any sense? Okay, let's go to the shimmers. I think I want to use Orange Juice from Jeffree Star because it's just an amazing orange. So let me get a brush. I am going to use not specifically a glitter glue, because the glitter glue I have creases on me because it doesn't dry down completely. I do, however, have a primer from Wet n Wild here that I got ages ago that I don't like as an eyeshadow primer because it is too drying and sticky, but I do like it as, well, glitter glue. That's basically what I want to use. So I'm going to use this one. I am planning on getting the NYX, but you know, I have this one now. I want to finish it up first. So just put a tiny bit on the back of my hand, get a flat brush. I'm just going to put it on my eye. Okay, then I'm going to go into the color Orange Juice, which is this gorgeous orange. I'm going to go inner and outer corner. I'm going to tap it over that darker brown as well. Now I'm going to go to the Sluch palette for the color Coconut Milk, which is a white shimmer. And that is going to go into the center. I'm tapping it over the orange. Do I like that? Not really, damn it. Let me get a blending brush and blend the two together a little bit. That is a bit better. A little bit of the color Orange Juice. Oh, I can also get the color Jawbreaker. So let me get that, this one, which is a white with a goldy shimmer. A little bit of glitter glue on my brush and just put that in the center. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, I like that more. Let's do that on the other eye as well. Okay, now I have a blue eye pencil, so let's start with that. This is from Essence, an Electric Vibes in the color Sorry Not Sorry. with the Morphe E36, I'm going to go into the color Soaked, and that's going to go just underneath and a little bit on top of that liner. Okay, let me get my eyeliner. If you don't have a blue eyeliner, you can always use Make a Wing with concealer and then put blue eyeshadow on top. But I have here from Catrice a blue liner. This is the Rock Couture liquid liner in Bluelet for my Valentine. This one is not vegan because it contains carmine, just so you know. I got this before I kind of paid attention to that, and I want to finish it up. I don't want to throw it away, but in case you do not like that, don't get this one. And just go as bold as you want to go. Okay, inner corner highlights. Let's stick with the color Jawbreaker that I have on the center as well for my inner corner. I know it's technically not white, but still. Okay, I am going to put on falsies, because if I wear mascara now, it is actually, well, not really that difficult, because for me that line is pretty thick. You won't see my eyelashes, so I'm going to put on falsies. They are going to be pretty natural, so if you have a very good mascara, it won't look that much different. Unless you have no lashes at all, then it will look like this basically. I'm going to also put on a red lipstick, falsies, and then I will be back to show you the finished look. So hold on tight, don't go anywhere. Everything is on, and here is the finished look. I like it. I like how it turned out. It was as I was thinking about in my head. That is not good English. But yeah, yeah. It does mean no. Wait, what? I like how the look turned out. It's like I had in my head. So that is good, because that is not always the case for me. But yeah, it's something different, you know, not the standard red, white and blue that I have done in the previous few episodes. But I have all the colors nonetheless. The white could maybe be a little bit more apparent there, but I like it. Let me know down below if you like it as well. Let me know if you are going to watch the game and if you are rooting for the Netherlands or for Sweden. Let me know down below. And yeah guys, this could very well be, why is my eyelash sticking to my... This could very well be the last of the series. It is a 50-50 chance basically, so yeah. I don't know, I'm excited for this evening, and yeah, I'm just going to stop rambling now and edit the video so it can go up on time. That's more important, I think, than me talking. Anyway, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you so freaking much for watching. I'm going to wish you a fantastic day, a fabulous evening, and I hope to see you soon in my next one, which will be, well, tomorrow. So until then, bye guys.